Ever felt overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list? Drowning in a sea of sticky notes and missed deadlines? Fear not, weary warriors of productivity, for project management tools have arrived. But with a plethora of options like Asana and Jira, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a jungle gym blindfolded. So, let's face it head-on. Is Asana really just Jira Lite, or are these project management beasts fundamentally different? Gearing up. Understanding your workflow. Before diving into the specifics, let's take a moment to consider your project wrangling style. Are you a freelancer juggling multiple clients and tasks? Perhaps you're the CEO of a bustling startup, overseeing a whirlwind of creative endeavors. Or maybe you're a seasoned developer navigating the complex world of agile methodologies. Understanding your workflow is crucial. Asana shines with its versatility, offering a clear and intuitive interface for managing a wide range of projects. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife. It can tackle to-do lists, brainstorming sessions, and even basic team communication. On the other hand, Jira thrives in the realm of structured workflows. It's a favorite among developers for a reason. Its robust features cater to agile methodologies, allowing seamless bug tracking, sprint planning, and issue management. Imagine Jira as a high-powered mechanics toolset, meticulously designed to keep complex projects running smoothly. The feature face-off. Asana versus Jira. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Both Asana and Jira offer a treasure trove of features, but they cater to different needs. For the visual thinker, Asana boasts beautiful, customizable project boards. Drag and drop tasks with ease, visualize workflows with color-coded labels, and keep your team on the same page with clear progress updates. It's a visual feast for the organizationally inclined. Jira, however, prioritizes detail-oriented breakdowns. Craft intricate issue workflows, assign specific fields for bug reporting, and leverage powerful search functions to pinpoint exactly what needs attention. It's a haven for those who thrive on granular control. Collaboration is key. Effective teamwork is the lifeblood of any project. Both Asana and Jira offer tools to keep your crew connected. Leave comments on tasks, share files, and tag teammates for seamless collaboration. However, Asana goes a step further with its built-in chat functionality. Need a quick question answered? No need to switch apps. Simply fire off a message within the platform and keep the conversation flowing. Automation powerhouse. Imagine a world where tedious tasks handle themselves. Both Asana and Jira offer varying degrees of automation. Asana allows you to set rules that trigger actions automatically, like assigning tasks based on due dates or sending notifications when a project hits a milestone. Jira takes automation to the next level with its powerful scripting capabilities. For the technically savvy user, Jira allows crafting complex automations that streamline workflows and save valuable time. Pricing showdown. How much does it cost to tame your projects? Asana and Jira offer a range of pricing tiers to suit different budgets. Asana's free plan is generous, offering basic task management and team collaboration features. Paid plans unlock more bells and whistles, like unlimited projects and advanced reporting. Jira's free plan is more limited, but it caters well to small teams. Paid plans offer increased storage, user management capabilities, and integrations with other Atlassian products. Ultimately, the cost depends on your specific needs and team size. So, is Asana a mere shadow of Jira? Absolutely not. Both tools are powerhouses in their own right. The key lies in understanding your project needs and team dynamics. For the generalist, if you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone managing diverse projects, Asana's user-friendly interface and versatility might be the perfect fit. For the agile warrior, if you're a developer or a team heavily invested in agile methodologies, Jira's robust features and workflow customization might be your champion. Remember, the best project management tool is the one your team actually uses. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the platform that empowers your team to achieve peak productivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project wrangling.